To attach the panel to the connector, follow these steps. Step 1. Position the panel so its grommet hole faces the connector and the panel's clips point downward. Step 2. Confirm the connector is upright with its own clips facing upward. Step 3. Lift the panel, align it with the connector, and press down firmly. The panel is now securely attached to the connector. To attach a panel to a panel, follow these steps. Step 1. Attach a connector to the side of the second panel that has the grommet hole, just as in the earlier procedure. Step 2. Flip the second panel to its opposite side. Both panels should now have their clips facing upward. Step 3. On the second panel, switch its clips to face downward. Twist each clip counterclockwise to remove it. Move each clip to the hole directly above the one it came from. Twist clockwise to lock each clip back in place. Step 4. Lift the second panel, align it with the first panel, and press down firmly. The two panels are now securely joined. To add the tabletop brackets, follow these steps. Step 1. Hold the first bracket at a 45-degree angle and insert into the panel's slot. Step 2. Repeat with the second bracket. Each panel requires 2 brackets. Step 3. Slide both brackets outward toward opposite ends of the panel until they are fully seated. The table brackets are now properly installed on the panel. To attach the tabletop to the panels, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the tabletop directly onto the brackets installed in the previous step. Step 2. Align the tabletop so it sits perfectly flush along all 3 outer edges. Step 3. Drive screws through each bracket into the tabletop, ensuring every bracket is firmly secured. The tabletop is now solidly mounted to the panel assembly. To attach the flat bracket to the main tabletop, follow these steps. Step 1. Identify the side of the main tabletop where the return tabletop will be placed. Step 2. Secure the bracket with 1 screw only, so the bracket can adjust when the return tabletop is installed. Repeat steps 3 for each additional flat bracket along the same edge. To attach the return tabletop to the main tabletop, follow these steps. Step 1. Set the return tabletop onto the flat brackets and panel brackets installed earlier. Step 2. Align the return tabletop so it sits perfectly flush along all 3 outer edges. Step 3. Drive screws through every bracket into the return tabletop, making sure each bracket is fully tightened. Double check that every flat bracket and panel bracket is securely fastened all the way around. To install the side cover of the panel, follow these steps. Step 1. Pop the top cap off the panel. Step 2. Turn each clip at the panel's end counterclockwise and remove it. Step 3. Place a foam pad above every screw, as shown in the video. Step 4. Gently flex the side cover. Insert it into the top of the panel and slide it downward, making sure it passes over every foam pad. Step 5. Reinstall the top cap to lock the side cover in place. Your desk assembly is now complete.